Hello friends, welcome to my channel Six Sense. Please subscribe my channel. Keep me, it will motivate me. As you can see, the weather has changed. Same house, same way. Our life will also have ups and downs. Like once we are in up, sometimes we have to come down. Once we are down, definitely the things will change and will come up. So nothing is permanent in life. Everything is like everything keeps changing, so we just have to go with the flow. So yeah, see, and just imagine, after day there is night, after night there is again day, after rainfall there is sunshine, after sunshine again there is after rain. So this is how it is. Thank you.